Hello guys, good evening. Thank you for watching this video. For tonight, gagawa tayo ng video about sa kamote. So why kamote? Because I decided to call it kamote para ma-identify or ma-recognize kagad na yes, from the Philippines to. So this package is from the Philippines. So I wrote this one. Pag-isipan ko lang itong gawin kasi for my daily usage. So para hindi na ako gumagamit ng iba-ibang mga packages. So I decided to create my own. So I call it Kamote again. So it has 2.1k downloads already. And this is for free. You can use it for free and you can buy me a copy if you like. Then ano ba yung Kamote Utos? Ito lamang is hindi to framework but just a simple library na you can use some functionalities, and this is very lightweight and fast, and this is written in TypeScript, so easy to use because just simply import. So let's start how to use this one. So let's start with npm. So just know that and just copy, then paste here. There. Ayan, so paste natin. Then yeah. Then so let's start with the basics. So paano ba to gagamitin? So usage niya is just static methods. So just simply import from the basic import. Then you can simply use this one also, underscore, then next with dot, and also you can use chain. Gusto mo lang i-chain. Tara, let's start this basic usage. So basic usage, simply import. I believe it's already imported here. Yeah. So pluralize. Pluralize. Code daw kanina, but now just simply use pluralize. So let's restart. What's wrong with that? Let's debug why it's and word ends with okay. So dapat string yung gamitin natin because hindi mapo-plural yung numbers. So let's apple. So apples. So from apple naging apples siya kasi plural na siya. And also you can use box, then boxes, company. So naging companies. So anything na gusto niyo pluralize, I believe this is common usage. You can use it from front end. Pwede mo itong gamitin sa back end to save in the database. Sample usage, for example, you have a new messages. So mahirap naman yung you have one messages or two message, diba? Dapat dynamic din yung message based sa count ng notification. So may isang part na dito na wrong grammar, for example person, because wala naman natang persons na word, di ba? So pag sa tingin nyo wrong grammar ang output niya, so kasi dapat kasi dito people kasi yung tamang grammar dito. So you just simply may ginawa ko sa documentation, palitan nyo lang dito third part niya, person, and you can simply use people anong gusto nyo i-display. So I believe that's all for this flawless feature. Next is must. I believe sa front end lang ata to. Yeah, sa front end. Itong dalawang to sa front end. So must, ginagamit ito sa mga credit cards. So credit cards, and example to yung number ng bank account mo. So ulitin natin yung people ng must. So ang default dito is 6 numbers to display. So yung 6 numbers, yan yung i-display niya, then the rest is naka must na siya. So ayun yung hindi nyo gusto makita, so pwede nyo siyang i-must. For example, password, gusto nyo i-must yung password. Pero I believe it's not applicable sa password, or just simply add that one, or gusto nyo dollars, so dollars yung papalit sa kanya, anything you like. So gusto mo ganyan. So gusto nyo din apat lang yung ma-display, apat dito, so lagyan nyo lang ng 4. So apat lang, 4. Kung gusto nyo din, ayun yung dito ang nakamas, gusto nyo dito sa unahan, so lagyan nyo lang siya ng start. Gusto nyo din dalawa lang, so yung na-hide yung start dito. So kasi dalawa lang yung nilagay natin, so dalawa lang yung di-display na available na i-display natin. Then I believe din lang, then yung default niya ay n, so nasa n talaga siya. Gusto niyo 0, must talaga lahat. 0. What I mean, naka-must lahat. So that's for must. I believe that's all covered natin. Then human readable. Gawin natin tong number kasi number tong kailangan natin. Hindi pa naka-import. So 1 billion. So example, ay hindi nyo makount yan, gusto nyo simply parang social media. I believe sa social media ito yung palagi nakikita natin, hindi yung ito kasi parang hirap basahin. So ito parang masarap sa mata basahin. So I believe that's all. Di natin kaya i-cover lahat to. Tongkat, I believe madali namang intindihin dito sa ginawa kong documentation. So may mga checkers din. Example, gusto natin i-check. Example, check natin if this is the number. So this is because this is a string. Pero pag tinanggalan natin, ay, what I mean, this is false because this is a string, not a number. Pero pag ginawa natin string, true yun siya. Ano pa ba? Marami dito guys, so check nyo na lang. Empty, kung gusto nyo i-check kung empty ba yung ito. Example, gusto nyo if empty is empty, import nyo lang to. So paano ba yan? Simply add if empty, then yan. So empty siya, false, hindi siya empty daw. Kung gusto nyo din gawing true, lagyan nyo lang siya dito ng ganyan. So nagiging true na siya. So hindi na lang ako gumawa ng is not empty because madali lang naman siyang lagyan ng paramdam tulad ng ex mo. Nagparamdam joke lang. Then halukay lang kayo dito guys, kaya yung mga available natin mga functions. Kung may gusto kayong ipadagdag, just comment section down below, or kung marunong kayong mag-codes, you can just simply contribute this project. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you, and that is Kamote in 12 minutes. Kamote. So bye bye guys, hopefully you like it, and follow for more videos and more tech tutorials with me. Thank you guys, bye bye, God bless.